Hey guys, what's up? Hit that like button to start the show. Welcome to the channel, Teching It Out with Sid. Today we got the GoPro 10, the Hero 10 or whatever they call it, jabroni. So we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna talk about it. I'm gonna show you guys what comes in it. I got the one with the accessory bundles, not the crazy accessory bundles that you get from like Amazon, but the one from GoPro itself where you get a few you get the little mini tripod, you get an extra SD card, you get a few other things like that. So let's unbox this and see what's in it, shall we? Guys, hit that like button, please, and thank you. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and hit that bell so you get all notifications for when I upload a video. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment down below if you guys got any questions of anything. Watch all my prior videos. I have one prior video that's actually doing good numbers. It's how to use an external hard drive with your iPhone. So if you guys were ever wondering how to use an external hard drive with your iPhone, it's on my channel. Go check it out. So let's not waste any more time. Package came today. Let's tear this open. So let's see. Now I also ordered a suction cup. So there's the suction cup. And there it is, baby. The beautiful GoPro 10. So let's unbox it. So this is how it comes. This is how the suction cup comes. This is how the actual GoPro thing comes. So we'll do the suction cup next. So let's tear this open, shall we? It took about 4 days to get to my house. I ordered it right off of GoPro's website. It was on sale for $5.99 in total. Everything come up to around $700 Canadian. That's with the accessory bundles plus the suction cup, which costs another like $70. So that's what I paid for it. So this is it. The 10. This is how the box, 23 megapixel. It can record 5.3K, 60 frames per minute, and 4K 120. Waterproof, 33 feet, 10 meters. And this is the new GP2 processor. So let's, how do you get this out? You gotta love it. So comes in its nice little storage bag, travel bag, whatever you want to call it. This is the travel bag, how it looks. So GoPro, there it is, baby. Wow. So comes with the screw, another screw, one mount. I'm pretty sure that's a mount for another mount. That's a sticky curved, so if you want to put it on something that has a curve to it. And then I'm pretty sure this just screws on to here. At least I thought it does. I don't know how this exactly works, but we'll find out. So also we get the clip if you want to clip it, and I'm pretty sure this is a magnet too. And then one battery. Wow, those are really small, man. I thought they were bigger than they look so much bigger on the videos. And then that's how big the batteries are. So that's the clip. And then what else do we got over here? Oh yeah, the mini tripod. So that's it, the mini tripod. That's it. These open up. This extends. So, and then for the main event, or wait a minute. And then the cord. Of course, the cord. Charging cable, USB-C to USB-A. Okay, so the two batteries. And then the main event, the GoPro itself. This is how it looks. So let's get this off. GoPro, beautiful. So let's take off these stickers now, shall we? So 1, 2, and then 3. So that's it. It's very small, man. Smaller than I thought it would be. Thought it'd be a lot bigger. And these are the little things that you hook on the accessories to your tripod and everything like that. So, and then what else comes in the box? Instructions, of course, the stuff nobody ever reads. And I also got unlimited storage on GoPro's website. Now let's see. So can you take, should I take this out? No, I'll leave this in there. I'll try and use it. So that's it. And then plus the suction cup. This is a separate accessory sold. So you gotta buy this separate. Costed around $70. But it's the suction cup for a window. For you want to use it in a car, but it'll probably overheat in a car. But anywhere else, like if you want to just, this thing will probably work on not just dashes, but windows, tables, and things like that. So the suction cup is right there. So back to the GoPro. This thing looks really nice. That's one thing I can say. It's not that heavy at all. It's a lot lighter than I thought it would be. So I'm gonna charge this thing up first before we turn it on, and then maybe I'll do a video explaining how to use it. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna plug this in, let it charge, and then I'm gonna turn it on and get the recording. So GoPro. Hit that like button, guys. Thank you all for watching. This is everything you get in it. Let me know if you guys bought it. To be honest, one of the reasons I bought it was because I wanted to start blogging in my car when I'm driving. But to be honest, an iPhone in a car only lasts 4 or 5 minutes before it overheats. It's just the way it is. I know, crazy. And then even the GoPros overheat, believe it or not, in a car, especially in a car, because these things are made to have wind going through them. Believe it or not, I'm pretty sure it's like 80 to 90% of GoPros film that's recorded is always less than a minute. So if you're doing that, then you'll be fine. So recording in full 5K, 5.3, I'm pretty sure you can only do that for like literally 10 minutes before it overheats. Unless you're outside moving around and wind is getting into it, but even then it'll still overheat. So know what you're getting it for, know what you want to use it for before you get it, man. And that's it, guys. Quick little video. Just wanted to show you guys what comes in the box, the accessory box. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. Hit that like button, please, and thank you. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, and hit that bell so you get all notifications. And I will catch you guys all in the next video. Be on the lookout for my follow-up video for this. So give me about a month, and I'll do a follow-up video. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Leave a comment down below if you got a question or you want to say anything. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.